Hello, how are you guys? Okay, think of this. Do you or anybody that you know love living in a dirty house? Have you ever been like, wow, my house is filthy. I love it. I feel at home. Hopefully, for your sake and for mine, it's not. I'm here to talk to you today about why it's important to stop littering. Problems caused by littering is that it affects our environment. Cleaning it up is very expensive, and it's also very detrimental to our animals. And, whether it's sea animals or animals on ground. The first one I'm going to talk to you guys about today is, the effects it has on our environment. Whenever you litter, you're leaving, stuff out, so that way, animals such as rats and raccoons, they get out and they're able, the ones scavenger type animals, they get out and they get to these things and, they get to all sorts of bacteria, all sorts of, contamination, and they start picking up diseases, and that way they carry those diseases with them. So, something that you might not catch, those things travel, like litter travels, animals travel. These diseases you start to be more exposed to. Another thing is that whenever it contaminates our water. So that's a big deal because, if we can't drink water, that's what we need. So it contaminates our waters and our rivers and our oceans, and this thing called algae blooms is what it's in the water, and it reduces the oxygen that's able to keep our aquatic life alive, such as, our coral reefs, our fish, big things that we need, and it just gets worse from there. And another thing is, to my second point, cleaning it up is very expensive. It is shown in 2013 alone, I found this out from the Seattle PI, that it costs $13 million just to pick up and to try to reverse and pick up and clean after the litter that we had done, when in reality we could have prevented the whole thing just by not littering. It seems so simple, but it's something that all of us have to do and take seriously. Another thing that I found out, and with flagstaff.gov, they put out a flyer, and the simple things that we can do to reduce our littering are things such as the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce the amount. Use those water bottles. Use those water bottles that are reusable. Don't just get a water bottle, throw it away, whatever. And whenever you do throw something away, don't throw it away. Go the extra step. There's a trash can right here, and there's a recycling bin right here. Just do your part a little more, and it goes a long way. And another thing would be to just completely, just literally just do those 3 things. And it's very, very simple. It gets very, very easy. But if we don't do those things, it'll continue to really cost us in the end, and it can be very detrimental to me, to you, to our next generation, to our animal life. If we really care, we need to start doing something now. It's only getting worse. But thank you for your time.